first grade. It's Mrs. Tyler coming to you from her living room today with your math lesson for the day. Now, today we are going to be working on another review skill. Yesterday was quick tens. Today we're going to talk and review about decomposing numbers. So if you remember what decomposing means, it means breaking the number apart, okay? So that is what our focus is today. So Mrs. Divler is going to write an addition sentence for you. What's that number? 16 plus 12 equals blank. Now, we've been working on breaking down the smaller number into tens and ones. So I have 16 plus 12. What is the smaller number there? 12. So I'm gonna start my number bond from 12. Now what is my 10 fact? 10 plus what equals 12? Well, let's put 10 in our head. 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2. I'm gonna put 10 here and then 2 there. So, if you remember, next we add 16 plus 10. So, I'm going to underline those two numbers we're going to add first. So, we're going to come down here and Mrs. Divler is going to write our new number sentence, adding those two numbers together. 16 plus 10 equals blank. Now, we can look at our tens place, right? To add 1 plus 1 is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. So, 16 plus 10 equals 26. But did I add all my numbers up here? No. Remember, we broke 12 down, right? We used 16 and 10, but what number do we still have to add? 2. So now we need to make another number sentence, starting with 26, because we're adding to 26, right? So 26 plus, what did we say? 2 equals blank. So 26, put 26 in your head, and let's count up to 26, 27, 28. 28. So we should know that 16 plus 12 equals 28. Now this is a hard strategy because there's a lot of steps to it, okay? So we're gonna do another one together too. Remember, we're decomposing, so we're breaking down. We always break down the smaller number in our number sentence. So here's your next one. We have 18 plus, let's see, 18 plus 11 equals blank. Now let's stop and think. Which one's our smaller number? 11. So we're going to break it down into our what fact? Our 10 fact. So we know our first number is going to be 10. But how many do we need to add to 10 to get to 1? Because that's my missing part. So put 10 in your head. 10, 11. How many hops did we have to go? Just 1. I'm going to write a 1 here. Now remember, once you have it broken down, you're going to add 18 plus 10. We always add our 10s first. So this time I was going to switch colors so you can see it a little better. 18 plus 10. Now, we know that we already used 11, we broke 11 down, so we don't really have it anymore. So you're adding these two numbers together, right? Equals blank. So, what's 1 plus 1? 2. 8 plus 0, because we're looking at the ones place. 8 plus 0 is 8, right? Okay, now we added 18 and 10, but we still have a number left. So what do we have to add the 1 to? 28. So the 28, we're going to write down here for our new number sentence. 28 plus 1 equals blank. Put 28 in your head. 1 hop, 28, 29. 29. So 18 plus 11 is 29. Boys and girls still a little confused? You want to do one more? Okay. I'm going to put it right in the middle of the paper. Let's do 16. Did I already? Oh, I did 16. We're going to cross that one out. 15 plus 14 equals blank. Now, what number do we break down first? We break down the smaller number. Which one's smaller, 15 or 14? 14, good job, guys. Remember, we're breaking it into our 10 facts. So 10 plus what equals 14? Well, I know my first number is 10, so I can put 10 in my head, right? And count up to 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 hops. So my missing add-in is 4. Now, what two numbers am I going to add together? Yes, 15 and 10. So we're going to go down here and write 15 plus 10 equals blank. So let's look at our 10s. What numbers are our 10s? 1 and 1. What's 1 plus 1? 2. Now we're going to add our 1s. 5 plus 0. 5. Now what number haven't I added yet? I still have the 4 down here, right? So I need to add 4 to what is here? 25. So I'll just draw an arrow so you can remember. So we're going to put 25 here. 25 plus 4 equals blank. Now, I'm going to move this up here so you guys can see it a little better. Can you see that? So we have 25 plus 4. Put 25 in your head and do 4 hops. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29. Now the answer was 29, right? Now, this may be a little confusing, so you can either print out the paper or you can just write the problems that are online for you to do to keep practicing. I hope you guys are having a good day and you get to go outside. Bye.